So this is a luxury ryokan at Arima Onsen, one of the 3 famous hot spring spots in all of Japan. And this is called Nakanobo Zuien. It's on the 3rd floor. This is, I don't know the room number. Anyways, it's called Wako. And so this is the highest category room, I believe 110 square meters. And Arima Onsen is very close to Osaka and Kobe. So a lot of people who want an authentic onsen experience, and locals also come here. So if you want to stay here at any property in Arima Onsen, especially the decent ones, you have to reserve early. So this is Wako. It's a suite room. There are 2 toilets. And so over here, and so to the left is the closet, and you can hang stuff. There is yukata and samue you can wear, and she's going to put it in there. Dozo irete kudasai. So she just got us the right size for our innerwear. This is the living room. Very tranquil, Western style with carpet, with a TV. And then this is the Japanese room, washitsu, with a tatami floor. See, so you have both a Japanese room, Western room, both with televisions here and here. You have nature beyond. And then coming over here is the bedroom, Western style beds. No futon. I think, futon, some people like it, but more and more Japanese are also preferring real beds. And so a lot of, especially luxury ryokans, are turning to that. Often what's going to happen is if you have multiple people staying here, then they'll slide the coffee table aside and they'll roll out the futon. And so if you have a family, that's what they'll do, which is convenient. Here's another toilet, the second one. So Nakanobo Zuien is the luxury counterpart to Arima Grand Hotel, which is a much larger property. It's still quite nice, but not quite as high-end or expensive. One of the famous things about Arima Onsen, again, it's about 30 minutes from 40 minutes from Osaka and Kobe, so it's very convenient to get to. And one of the benefits of Arima Onsen is the type of onsen. And it's famous for the, there's 2 types of baths to this room, which is cool. You can sample them both. So this is called Kinsen, which is gold bath. This is what Arima Onsen is known for, but they also have a different type of hot spring called Ginsen. Gin means silver. And so they have different mineral properties. You get them both in Arima Onsen. And so in this room, you can sample both of these types, which is really cool. So you have, for those of you who are the elderly, you have a step and you have a grab handle there. And then you have nothing but nature beyond. You can see how the water or the spring is disposed. So anyways, this is Wako. I'm staying in a different room. So let's take a look at that after this.